right now.
Yeah, I am.
Airways flight to Chicago. Your safety and comfort is extremely important to us, so please observe the fasten seatbelt signs whenever they are on. We do recommend while seated you keep your seatbelt loosely fastened in case of encountering any unexpected turbulence. If you'd like to take rest during your flight today, we do recommend that you fasten your seatbelts over any blankets or duvets, and should the seatbelt sign come on during flight, we will not have to disturb you. The no smoking sign will remain illuminated for the duration of the flight, and smoking is strictly prohibited whilst on board. I'd like to take a few moments to introduce you to the crew that I'm working with on today's flight. I'll be leading a total of 10 cabin crew. I have the pleasure of leading the service in Club World today, along with Martin, Lee and Rona. Safi will be running the World Traveller Plus cabin, working alongside Safi is Sarah, Julia and Claire. Working in first on today's flight is Lauren, Shoshana and Rodrigo. Your crew on board today speak English and Portuguese. Shortly beginning the High Life entertainment system, a wellbeing programme is available for you to watch at your own convenience, and more information can be found on how to use the entertainment system in the High Life magazine in your seat pocket. Our in-flight shop will be open on today's flight, and this will close approximately